guys, wishing you all a very happy 2021. You are watching Signature Mommies, and I am Ambika, a home decor enthusiast. You will get to watch makeovers, DIYs, and art videos on my channel. Today, I would be doing a detailed living room tour where I will share a few tips and decorating ideas. Without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So I have tried to give a glam look to this living space, and I'll show you how exactly I achieved it. So glam style involves the usage of metals like gold, silver, and the usage of rich textures like velvet and satin. So here is a brass toned lampshade that I recently purchased from Home Center. I have placed it on a beautiful wooden three-legged stool. I bought this from an Instagram store. And here is a beautiful plant. I think this belongs to the bamboo family. And down there is a snake plant. I have placed a ceramic pot, and I have used 3D golden liners to give this small detailing on the pot. This in fact takes the look to the next level, guys. So the entire setup is placed on this round jute mat that I got from Amazon. Trust me, guys, the quality of this is simply amazing, and the texture of it is so smooth. I'll link down all the products in the description box. So on the right hand side, I have stacked a few magazines and books that adds a personal look to the space. And here are my lovely cushion covers, the leopard prints. Leopard prints are always considered to be glamorous. I've clubbed it with the black velvet beauty again, and this entire setup is looking magical. So here is a tapestry that I recently got from Amazon, and I'm in love with it. In fact, it reminds me of our travel days, and somehow it takes us to a magical world altogether. So on my right side is a satin cushion. This was a satin cloth that was lying at home since 2 years, and I just converted it into a cushion cover. Since it was loose, I just tied it up, and the look is simply amazing. I have clubbed it with a fur textured cushion again. This is how it looks. So to the right hand corner again is a floor lamp and a ZZ plant. Just given a second for it to zoom in. Yes. And here is a floating shelf, and this is a DIY. If you, in case you want to know how exactly I made it, leave in your comments. So this is a beautiful center table that I got from Amazon, and the quality of it is simply amazing. So I tried to place a small book and an Eiffel Tower on it. I didn't want to crowd the center table, and this is how it looks. The carpet again is from Amazon, and this is how my living space looks right now. So I hope you liked my video. If you did, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.